What do you want?
Well, I've come about your special, fully comprehensive motor insurance policy offer.
What was that?
Fully comprehensive motor insurance for 1 and 8pence.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Well, unfortunately, Gov, that offer's no longer valid. You see, turned out not to be economically viable. So we now have a totally new offer.
What's that?
A nude lady.
Nude lady?
Yes, you get a nude lady with a fully comprehensive motor insurance. If you just want third party, she has to keep her bra on, and if it's just theft, then
No, I don't really want that. Mr.
Devious.
Mr. Davies, I just want to know what it would cost me to have a fully comprehensive insurance on a 1970 Aston Martin.
Aston Martin?
Yeah.
500 quid.
500 quid?
40 quid.
40 quid?
40 quid and a nude lady.
No, I'm not interested in nude.
Dirty books.
No, look, I'm not interested in any of that. I just want to know what it would cost me to have a fully comprehensive insurance on a 1970 Aston Martin. Can you please quote me your price?
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
The Reverend.
The Reverend who?
The Reverend Morrison.
Oh, come in. Now then, Vic, what's the trouble?
Well, it's about this letter you sent me.
Excuse me, do I have any more lines?
I don't know much. I'll have a look in the script. Where are we? Show 8. Are you man?
Yeah.
Man. No, you finished.
Well, I'll be off then.
Right. The vicar sits.
It's about this letter you sent me regarding my insurance claim.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, well, you see, it's just that we're not, as yet, totally satisfied with the grounds of your claim.
But it says something about filling my mouth in with cement.
Oh, well, that's just insurance jargon, you know.
My car was hit by a lorry while standing in the garage, and you refused to pay my claim.
Oh, well, Reverend Morrison, in your policy, here we are. It states quite clearly that no claim you make will be paid. You see, you unfortunately plumped for our never pay policy, which, you know, if you never claim is very worthwhile. But you had to claim, and, well, there it is.
Oh, dear, oh, dear.
Still, never mind, could be worse. How's the nude lady?
Oh, she's fine.
Look, Rev, I hate to see a man cry, so shove off out the office, there's a good chance.